Hello guys, welcome back to Tronic Synergy. Ever wonder how a police siren works? So now I'm giving you a chance to make a police siren at home as a DIY project. So this is a multi-vibrator and you can use this circuit in various ways that you want. If you're building a car, you can put it right there on top, and you can put these LEDs right there on top, and it can work as a police siren or in various outputs that you want or in various circuits that you may wish to build. So this video is all about making a multi-vibrator using very simple components, and yes, hope you tune in and hope you enjoy the show. Welcome. Hello guys, welcome back to Tronic Synergy, and today we are doing a very simple circuit. It's just a multi-vibrator, so you see it's just a simple circuit. I'm not using a lot of components, just two BC547 transistors right down there. Yeah, you can see the LEDs right here. We only need two of them. You can use different color because this is a multi-vibrator. You need to maybe choose different colors in order to see the variations between the two outputs. Yeah, then you can see the two capacitors right here. So these are 100 microfarad capacitors. You can choose whichever capacitor that you want according to what frequency you want your output to be. And then up here we have some couple of resistors. So we have a 5.6 right there in the middle. We have 1K resistors here at the end. So the connection is quite simple. I'm using a 5-volt power supply. So from VCC, you can see that there's an LED which is protecting this. There's a resistor rather which is protecting this LED. Then the negative of the LED goes to the collector of this BC547. Then the base is being controlled by the output of this capacitor, which is right here, which is interconnected to this capacitor right here. So the positive pin is connected, the positive side of the capacitor is connected to the collector of this BC547. Then the other pin is connected to the base of this transistor right here. And then the same connection goes on to this other side. So the positive side of this capacitor is connected to the collector of this it is connected to the base rather of this BC547. So yeah, that's basically the connection. The positive side of the capacitor are connected to VCC using a 1K resistors, and then the other side are connected to a 5.6 you can use 5K or 5.6 resistor. So I'm using a 5.6, and then the other one is the same positive side to a 1K, then the negative connected to a 5.6 connected to the positive rail of our breadboard. So that's simply the circuit. So I said I'm using a 5-volt power supply, and yeah, so that's basically the function. So that's basically how the circuit. So the circuit should work in a way that it's an astable circuit, meaning that it has no stable place. So meaning that it will tend to be charging and discharging the two capacitors on and off, then consequently lighting up these LEDs on and off, or allowing current to pass through the base in order to allow the negative side of the LED to be connected to ground if the small current is applied at the base, because that's basically the function of a transistor. So yes, so that's how our circuit will be working. So let's power it and check. So I've powered it. Immediately you can see the two LEDs are flashing on and off. So this is a blue LED, this is a red LED. So the LEDs are showing you how this blue LED showing you how this capacitor is charging and discharging, while this red LED is showing how this capacitor is charging and discharging. So on and off, on and off. Charging period is pretty short because of or it's specified, or the time is specified due to the capacitance. You can use whichever capacitors that you want in order to get the output that you wish to have. So maybe I can try to variate them. I can try maybe to do okay, let me see what I have here. This is so this is our 22. This I don't know if you can see. The ratings are quite small. So these are 220 microfarad capacitor, and these are 470. I will wish to have the same 220 in order to get the same signal. So I'm going to look for another 220. I don't know if I can get. Yes, I have it right here. So I'm going to connect them just the same place these capacitors are, and because they're electrolytic, you need to check the polarity. So they have polarity. So this string, or let me remove it, this side, you can see this string, it's the negative side, so you connect it to the negative side of your circuit, and this other one is positive. So this is negative. The only side which you need to check is the negative, because the other side will be positive automatically. So this side is negative, where you see this white strip. So I want to exchange that with this 220. So this stripped side is the negative one and the other side is positive. So I do that. We remove this 100 microfarad and I replace them with this 220. So I expect the time duration to be much longer, or the frequency to be slower than before. So let's do that. They're quite hard, so I'll try to like that. Then I try to put this other one the same place. Let me try to put it in. So immediately you see how the LEDs are running much slower than before, meaning that the capacitors take much longer time to charge and discharge as compared to the other 100 microfarad capacitors. So this is a circuit. This is a very simple circuit, a multivibrator. So you can use these in various circuits that you wish. I'm going to use this circuit in various places as an output. You can use it as an output in various circuits that you want to build. So thank you very much guys for watching. Please subscribe to Tronic Synergy, and hope you are tuned for next season, where we are going to do even more complex. So my next video, most probably I'll use this multivibrator output in my next video, so that you see how you can use this multivibrator as an output in different circuits that you are building at home. So do this project at home, share this video to as many people as possible, and please tune in to next video. Goodbye.